Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the sound issue from external speakers in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, try restarting your device. So to restart your mobile, swipe down and here click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to confirm, and after restarting it will fix your small software glitches, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then check your mobile volume. So to check the volume, press the side volume up or down key, and from here increase the volume and click on this three dot more icon on the top. Now from here increase all the volumes, and then you will be able to use the sound or external speaker. But if it's still not working, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps click on this three dot more icon. Now here click on reset app preferences, and then here again click on this reset option to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset the app preferences, and after doing this your sound issue from the external speakers will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.